In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make reggae rock in Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI, like you usually would, and go down to create. Then from here you can go in and make an instrumental beat, or you can make a full-on song if you want to do that. Then from here you need to select a song description. This is where you need to put in all of your prompts. And if you don't already have a couple prompts to use, then I have a bunch of them linked down in the description for you to check out and try. So let's get into it. Let's make some reggae rock. Reggae rock. It should be hype. It should have some reggae, electric guitar. It should have drums, of course. It should have some bass guitar. Should be 4/4 time, and it should, let's just say it should be 90 beats per minute. And then let's click create. As you can see down here, now it has been creating 2 versions of a beat or a song. Then from there you can listen to them if you want to, and if it doesn't really sound that reggae rock-ish, then you can try it again, or you can try some of the other prompts I have given you down in the description. So let's check one out. Sounds pretty good to me. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!